just stopped. I just stopped to put my rain gear on because we are going into one fucking hell of, I don't know if you can see that, it's black up there. We're gonna get doused. It literally, I pulled over at exactly the right time because it is just starting to pour. I get to test out how everything works now in the rain. Got the rain gear. The phone is supposedly in a waterproof case, but I don't believe that worth a shit. Shut my vents here. And this, the camera probably, it's splash proof. I've never really taken it in this type of torrential downpour. But we shall see how it all goes. It's, I saw it on the radar and it looks like it's short-lived. It's big, but it's most likely going to end probably, I don't know, 20 minutes, maybe 40 minutes at the absolute most. It's very, runs more north-south. It's heading from west to east, but it goes all the way up into like Vermont. And I am currently in Connecticut. I love this tinted visor, but it kind of sucks in the rain when you have to put it down because it's all dark, and at night, of course, it's not very good. So hopefully, I'm hoping I don't burn this camera out. I short it out from wetness. The gas here, gasoline, I just saw the price. It's at $2.73 a gallon. When I get fuel on the highway, obviously, you know, if you live in this area, you take 95. You have to take 95. It's like a main artery. I just got gas yesterday. I want to say it was $3.19 yesterday. $3.19. It's unbelievable. $2.73, $3.19. What's up with that? It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Now, I just yesterday or the day before, I was doing some filming and whoop-de-doo, but I'm plugged in to the external mic jack, so because you know I can talk, otherwise you'd hear nothing but wind. And I was getting some serious amount of static, you know, crackly bullshit, and I don't know why that is. If it's a bad connection. Maybe the cord is screwy or something, or if the microphone inside the helmet is damaged to some extent. You know, taking the helmet on and off 1,000 times. Ooh, lightning. Awesome. The only thing I don't have right now, and I am probably going to regret, is I don't have waterproof footwear on. And when you're riding, the one place that gets wet the most your foots. Now let's see how this goes. Mr. Actually, you know, I'm going to change the camera angle a little bit and protect it in here. Let's see if I can do this while we're riding without crashing. Move it. There we go. That way it's a little bit, it's protected from direct rain. It'll get indirect rain, which is fine because it's only going to trickle down, but direct rain would be, at least the rain that I'm in right now, would be the equivalent of putting it in a bathtub, which I think it can. No, it can't, because the little door on the bottom is open. Ow. I have gloves. I don't have gloves on, as you can see, but I do have gloves. Right now it feels like a million little pins. It's raining. I did not normally, and this is the funny thing, the way that my luck works. I always have, because I have saddlebags and I got a tank bag and I have, you know, tons of storage space on this bike. And I always have like extra everything. I have like extra clothing, I have food, I even have a 4-pack of like beer or cider on, just like stuff, you know, you buy it, you forget it's there, you leave it there. Just this morning I cleaned out almost everything. So if I do get wet, well, the wet, who cares? It's warm out. It's gonna be like 70, 80 degrees today. No big deal. It's not like I'm going to the fucking Arctic. But the feet, I have no extra footwear. I can't see shit right now. I'm just staring at the headlights in front of me. Yeah. I wonder if we're gonna start getting hail. Uh-oh. My feet are wet. I can feel it trickling in. God damn it. Maybe I can put it up on the engine here. There we go. Oh no, they're already wet. Yeah, they're soaking wet. I think what I'm gonna do when I get up to the next stopping opportunity is make sure that all my other components are protected. The last thing I want, actually. Oh no! Oh no! This stupid jacket has a hood, and I can't tuck it in. It doesn't have a little. Normally, if you have a jacket with a hood, the brilliant designers have, you know, realized that you probably don't always want that fucking hood. So they make a little thing you can roll it up and, you know, Velcro it usually, or affix it with a button or snap. No, not with this. Not with this one, of course. See, that was pretty much it, I think. Looks like it's getting lighter up there, so that wasn't even, was that 5 minutes? Lightening up a little bit. I may as well listen to music now, because it's gonna get boring. More boring. I want to turn this camera around. I can't do it. Damn it. If you could see this view, well, you might see it behind me. It is really pretty. But I have this camera so tight, I can't move it. Pandora's repeating the same songs right now, so I'm gonna give it a little bit, give it a rest. That's all they seem to do these days, is just repeat. And right now it's raining, as you may have guessed, from all the raindrops on the lens of the camera and on me. Oh boy, tired. It's still warm though, although it is raining. 2 or 3 months from now, and this would not be warm, but really comfortable. It's got to be in the 70s or 80s. And judging from the radar, it appears that the rain for the most part is done, and we really didn't even get very much rain down south. South Connecticut, that is. I'm not talking like South Carolina. But up here we got rain, but it was fleeting. It's probably only been raining for a few hours. Right now it's down to a drizzle. I can even see some blue sky up there. trying to poke through. And if the sun comes out, then I will probably dry off very rapidly. I just can't stop yawning. Oh man. I don't know why. I slept like crazy last night. Always nice. Sleep is is a necessity. Look at that pretty countryside. Absolutely perfect. Nobody is out today. It's like I'm on my own little personal road. Peeps, everybody's going slow. Now it's getting crowded. Now we're getting traffic on the road here. Traffic, comparatively.